Okay, welcome everyone to the first part of day 9, and this is what you need to do. You need to answer the question of the day. The question of the day is a poem. I actually did a video reading of the poem if you want to watch that, or the actual poem is attached. You need to read the poem first, then respond to the question. Do that and share it with the class. Then we're going to look at 2 more scenarios. Much to what we did last Thursday, we're going to look at Fatima and Jordan. So what you need to do, it's pretty simple. You're going to go into Fatima's folder. Remember, we're not doing the video reflection. We're going to share at the end. Once we have all kind of finished answering the questions, we're going to share out as a class what do we think Fatima should do. And you're going to look at the banking right here. And pretty similar. Once again, you can read this within your groups or individually. Read the scenario, answer the 3 questions, and always keep in the back of your mind, okay, what are her options or what should she do? What is her choice? What would you do? Make sure we share that with the class. Then we go to Jordan, and Jordan's going to be the next folder here. Jordan's a little more complicated. I like this one. I think it's going to take some time. It's got some interesting twists to it, but it's slightly different than the other ones we've done, so I just want to show you what that looks like. So in Jordan's dilemma, if you open the assignment, the first thing you need to do, you need to open up and read Jordan's background. And you'll see there's an attachment. You can do this as a class. I'm going to see if Lori will do it for us, or you can do it individually, but you got to read this first. You read Jordan's background, which looks like this, okay? Then you can open up the assignment, go to My Document, open up the document, and then as a group, Jordan has a dilemma. He has a decision to make. You know about his background, and now he's got 3 options. I think it's like on a Friday night of things he can do, all right? What should Jordan do? What you need to do as students is you need to figure out what are the positives and negatives for each of his scenarios, because the reason we're doing this is because when you make a budget and you're trying to deal with personal finances, you always have to make tough decisions, and these are some of those things that we're working on right now. So what you want to do is add 3 more consequences to each scenario. So you're going to look at this and be like, hey, what are the things that Jordan's giving up, or what are the penalties he might have to pay? So once again, I've started it just to help you guys out, but add 3 more bullets to each one of these scenarios. And then finally, you can skip the PACE model. I was going to do this with you in class, and it's just too complicated to kind of explain over this. But finally, at the end, what I want you to do is, what should Jordan's decision be? Very much what we do with all the other ones. What should Jordan do? Should he take option 1, 2, or 3? And be prepared to defend your answer, all right? Hopefully there'll be a little discussion in class, which I'll prompt Lori to help you guys have. And then once you finish that, you have finished the first half of day 9. I'll make a video for the second half with some other instructions. Good luck, everyone.